Hey there, my name is Dylan Schmidt and I'm an automation specialist at ProVal Tech. Today I want to go over how to configure IP address management for the Automate Control Center. Please click the like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you never have to miss out on another video. Let's get into it. First, there are a few requirements that you'll need to fulfill before you can start configuring IP address management. You'll need to have IP and domain restrictions Windows role enabled on your Automate server. Your Automate user needs to have the super admin user role applied, and you need to be on ConnectWise Automate 2022.11 or higher. As long as those requirements are satisfied, we can go to System in the bottom left, then IP Restriction Management here. From here, we'll get a menu that lists out IP addresses or IP address ranges that we want to allow access to the control center. So from here, I just have an example office address set up here. And take note that this will use the CIDR format here. So anything with this suffix of 32 is going to focus specifically on that individual IP address. But if we want it to be more broad and say include the whole subnet of 192.168.1 and then anything from 0 to 255, we could change that 32 to a 24, and that will include that entire subnet. So here you can see we can add any new addresses or ranges of IP addresses. We can name each of them. So maybe if it's a single address, it'll be something personal and you can name it to that person. If it's an entire subnet, you could name it after the office or whatever location that may be. And you can also specify whether users connecting to the control center from this address have access to the Windows client, the web client, or both. So by default, it'll have both of these enabled. From here, you also have the option to import an IP address range. So this will just take an input of a CSV list and add all of those IPs to the list of allowed addresses to connect from. You can add, import, delete, and of course, edit any of these addresses. Once you have this configured to your liking, you can click this IP restriction enabled button to make sure it is turned on. And it also notes that the local address will still always be allowed to make sure that ConnectWise can continue to function with the plugins itself. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on ConnectWise Automate. Let us know what else you'd like to see, or if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.